I don't know why, but I'll do this video for the people who really like air conditioner. This is my piecooler running on high. It was 30 degrees Celsius in here, 26 outside, and now it's down to 22.9 in here. This is running at its limits. I should almost put the 1 ton Pico on instead of this, but give it a run. And this is the condenser running at full power or maximum load with no water in the tray. So it's just relying solely on the fan. And it's doing the job. The suction line is sweaty. See them sweating through the cork tape. Compressor, it's around about 65 degrees Celsius. Maybe 70 tops. Doing well. I hope you enjoyed the sounds of the piecooler.